Guys, so after we finish pouring and polishing the heads, this is what it looks like. We gotta clean up the valve seal. So lapping valves, very important. That's how you get a good seal. So make sure you loop the valve guidance. I'm using a fresh tube of valve grinding compound. So make sure you get this one. And it's just using a conventional 10W30. You don't want to go down and dry because you gotta spin it. Creates friction. And I numbered the valves. Oops. So 8 is this way, 1 is this way. This is the side towards the transmission. This is the side towards the timing chain component. So just gotta make sure you get lube in there. Use this tool right there. You have to drop some more in here. Should not feel gritty. Should be like free. So I think we're getting there. And when you're grinding, you're just gonna listen for the sound change. So I do have some water here just in case I do need to thin it out. But what you're gonna put it on, you're gonna put it all around like this. It starts off as a coarse grit. The more you grind it, the coarser it gets. So you can hear that. And pop it up. You're gonna grind it until you hear the pitch change. So it might take a while depending on how bad the valve guides are. Or sorry, the valve seals are. So you hear it. Don't put too much pressure, just let the tool do the